Sunday night. What? Heavy snow possible. Total snow accumulation between 4 and 8 inches possible. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. Prepare for hazardous winter weather conditions. Continue to monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. Now here are the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Today, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 30s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Here's a winter storm watch for the following counties in Ohio: Fairfield, Fayette, Hocking, and Pickaway. Winter storm watch in effect from Saturday through late Sunday night. What? Heavy snow possible. Total snow accumulations between 6 and 10 inches possible. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. Prepare for hazardous winter weather conditions. Continue to monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. Now here is the official national impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions impact the Monday morning commute. Additional details: the heaviest snow is expected on Sunday. Sub-zero wind chills are expected Saturday night into Sunday morning, and again Sunday night into Monday morning. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. Persons should consider delaying all travel. If travel is absolutely necessary, drive with extreme caution. Consider taking a winter storm kit along with you, including such items as tire chains, booster-poles, flashlight, shovel, blankets, and extra clothing. Also take water, a first aid kit, and anything else that would help you survive in case you become stranded. Here is a winter storm watch for the following counties in Ohio. Prepare. Winter storm watch remains in effect from Saturday evening through Monday at noon. For Muskingum County, moderate to major effects to the region are possible later this weekend with periods of moderate to heavy snow. Significant accumulations are possible. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning commute. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. Here is a winter watch for the following counties Monday night. What? Heavy snow. Winter storm watch in effect from Saturday morning through Monday morning. For Perry County, a winter storm is expected to bring moderate to major impacts to the region this weekend. Periods of moderate to heavy snow are forecast this weekend. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. Additional information can be found at www.weather.gov/LX as well as on our X and Facebook pages. Here is winter storm watch for the counties. It is in effect from 10 a.m. Saturday to noon Monday. Heavy snow is expected with total snow accumulations between 8 and 12 inches. Travel could be very difficult and could impact the Monday morning commute. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Visit bogo.com for the latest road information. Winter storm warning with